there's absolutely no one here at Animal Kingdom, and it's about an hour after opening, which is kind of crazy considering this place is normally overrun with people going to Pandora. I've already ridden both the rides in Pandora, no fast passes needed. Pretty great so far. It is starting to get a little steamy, and it's already 8:45 a.m. The mask isn't that annoying. We'll see how the day progresses.
Bongos are known as the ghosts of the forest due to their ability to hide very, very well deep inside the forest. Both males and females have those long horns pointed backwards, help them get through the bushes and leaves a lot more easily. On our left here, you can see a black rhinoceros drinking some water. Able to weigh up to around 3,000 pounds. They can charge up to 35 miles per hour. They have a triangular prehensile upper lip that helps them scoop up their food. Now, we are very, very lucky to see a black rhino right now. There is only less than 5,000 left in the world due to only predator humans. Weigh up to around 5,500 pounds, you can charge up to 20 miles per hour. Despite having those large jaws and big sharp teeth, they are vegetarians. They just happen to be very, very territorial. They can actually open up their mouth to almost a 180-degree angle. Also on our left, you see a pod of pink-backed pelicans. They got their name for the pink colorization they got during main season. They can also have a 9-foot wingspan, especially since animals make it that way. Animals here make up a very important part of the ecosystem. Now, before we start talking about giraffes, going to be on our right here, really close to us. We're going to domesticate them, the Watusi tribe. They are the only domesticated animals here in the reserve. Those large horns on their head reach up to 6 feet long and can be 20 inches around. Well, the horns are a lot lighter than you would think due to the honeycomb belly. They also have blood vessels in their horns, which helps keep themselves cool. So to regulate their body temperature. Maasai giraffes, not the reticulated giraffes that you see on your animal spine guide. Able to charge up to 35 miles per hour. Notice the ears moving around. That's because rhinos have very poor eyesight, so they rely heavily on the very sensitive hearing to help them navigate. You can also see the banta bugs over here. Very, very lucky to